Hey there, how are you? The thing I love most about the Power Platform and its set of services and tools is the way it enables us to solve real world challenges. My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I met a customer's requirement in CRM with some JavaScript. If you ever used a CRM solution within Dataverse, you know that you have a timeline in records such as account or contact. And from that timeline, you can create a set of activities. Email is one of those activities. Now, the thing is that when you are in the account record and you want to email that customer, you probably want to reach out to a person and not some faceless email address. Of course, you can always go to the contacts record and create the email from there. But this requirement is that when a user is in the account record and it wants to send an email, it auto populates the to field with the primary's contact email. Just like this, where Nancy Anderson is the primary contact for this account. And how is this done? Well, you do need some JavaScript, as I mentioned, and that I will be sharing in the description. And then you need to add it to the emails form in the onload event. Check out this other video for more on this process. And there you have it, a simple solution to a real world requirement. I really hope this will be of some use, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon!